Alright, Drdoom40 Sports Cards here. We're doing a box of 2015 Benchwarmer Treasure Chest for Dr. Doom. Drdoom40. Good luck, man. Collectors Club. First up on the right side here, we got 9 of 25 Masumi Max. 9 of 25. Next, we got nice Shelby Chesney Redback Pink Autograph. Shelby Chesney's Redback Pink Auto. Stacy Fuson from Signature Series. We got Kirsty Lingman, Tiffany Toth, Kiana Chase, Val Keel, and Nicole Loam from Hollywood. Nicole Loam. And second side. Good luck, man. One I'm going to have to... Danny Mathers. And then you got the redemption. The redemption for the Kiss card. I'm not going to show the bottom there. But Kiss card redemption. Nice little hit there. Wow. Where's Trevor? 1 of 1 Brianna Noel. 1 of 1 Brianna Noel. Right in Trevor's face. Nice. Then you got 12 of 15, Nicole Bennett. And behind that, 5 of 15, Kayla Collins. Nice little box, Dr. Doom. Wow, and the rich get richer. 3 of 3, Amelia Talon. 3 of 3, Amelia Talon. What a box. Congrats, man. Definitely a nice box there. The Kiss card's a redemption.